Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. If you have a trailer or use a trailer and sometimes you just have a small one or something like that, like sometimes I just want to bring my kayak or something like that on there, and this is going to give me the ability to do some stuff like that. This is a wireless trailer light kit. So let me show you what we're talking about here. So that is the instructions, and we have more, just all these different instructions for it. Here, I'll open it up so you guys can see it if you need the instructions. That way you can't say you didn't see them, because here they are. There and there. And I'll leave it open for myself here as I show you each of the different items. So you have, this one here, you can see this one here faces this way, and this one here has the little ones that face the other way. They got a little bit of weight to them, I guess, because they've got the batteries in them. And they have an on button here. And it looks like it comes with 2 batteries on there already. Yes, so they both come already charged a little bit. So we are good on that part there. It has a DC 5-volt input. It looks like it's USB-C, so that is good. So that's nice and easy to charge these. Okay, then we have our trailer hitch connector here. So this one here, it goes into your 7-point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess it's a 7-point hitch, they call it. But then it also has the 4-point one here. So you could plug either end, I guess, in depending on what you're doing. That's kind of cool. I guess that's going to be the receiver and the transmitter. And then it has the pairing button, which I just pushed. I don't know if it's doing anything. It might need to be plugged into the car to get the power to go. But then here we go. So we have a little charger here. That's cool. So you can charge it in your car as well. So you can plug it into your car, and then you have a USB to 2 USB-C. That's cool, so you can charge them there. And then we have a bunch of different mounting plates and whatnot for the lights. But let's go ahead and just take a look at these lights and see what they are here. So these are them here. So by default, I think it's going to be, yes, it's very much so a magnet. So these are magnets, so we can just magnet it onto my on my kayak rack. Not my kayak is plastic, but I have a kayak rack that holds it, and this will just magnetize onto it. Do I have anything metal here? I don't even know if this is or not. Nope. Everything's aluminum over here, but you get the idea. This is a magnet, and I put it onto my little stand here. I guess I can show you. I'll aim it down here. You can see it's on the tiniest little piece of metal here, there, and it stays. So it's going to be good on the top of your car or whatever like that. That is cool. And I don't think I'm going to be able to put this on right now just because I don't have it plugged into the car. But I guess we can go ahead and try it. So, oh no, my son took my car. But the idea is solid, and these are so cool. Hopefully I can get a video of it and put it up in one of these corners of it. Just right now, my son took my car, so I don't have that. But it's cool, so this is awesome. So if you need a trailer light set, you can put these on there, and then it'll connect, and I guess it'll do the turn signals and everything else as you go. So really cool, thumbs up. Okay, just so you know, I've got it plugged in, and you can see the arrows are there, pointing the way. And then if I go, I've got them just on my blinkers on here. And I'm gonna open my door here, and you can still see these here. If I hit the brake light, you see it lights up that middle one there. I can turn off the flashers here. I can do one side and the other side. See? Works pretty good. And then, they're just magnetized together right now. But you get the idea. So cool.